In this tutorial, we will create a 2D camera. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hi everyone, this is Omar Bafiki. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. If not, welcome to this channel where I create game development tutorials and from time to time I upload my short films. If you're interested, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever new video is uploaded. This tutorial is the fourth tutorial about Cinemachine. In the first three, we explained how to make the camera follow the player and then how to use ClearShot, which is using multiple cameras and switching between them automatically. And in the last one, we used Dolly Cam, which is smooth camera movements based on a predefined path. So you can check these tutorials out. And in this tutorial, I'll just go through the 2D camera, which is very easy and simple. And it's a lot similar to the first tutorial, which is the camera follow, but this one is in 2D. So if I run the game, you will see that the camera is not following the player. To make the camera follow the player, first we need to create a 2D camera. Simply go to Cinemachine and then create 2D camera, and you will see a new camera created. But now it's not active. We need to assign a target to follow. So we drag our player here to follow. You can see that the camera has moved to the player's position, and now we just need to play around with the distance. Let's say somewhere around here. Okay, so now if we hit play, now you will see that the camera is following the player, which is great. But what if that's not the results you wanted? What if you wanted the camera to start following the player whenever the player reaches the edges of the screen? At the moment, now it's fixed to the player. To do that, scroll down and just modify the dead zone parameters here. Increase the width and height, and you will see a clear rectangle here. So if I move within that rectangle, the camera is not taking any kind of actions. It's not following the player. But now when I leave that rectangle, it starts following the player. So that is it for this tutorial. Very short and simple. I hope you find it helpful. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments below. And if you'd like to get more of these tutorials, subscribe and remember to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever new video is uploaded. This is Omar Bafiki. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.